Hey guys, welcome into Ranimal Media. It's good to have you guys here. Let's see what this is. This is a pileup that happened a while back. I haven't seen it. Let's see how it goes on here. Hope you guys are having a good day. Oh, there's a lot of snow on the ground. Uh-oh, that car moved over. Oh, that truck moved. Oh no, it's starting. The next 8 minutes is going to be insane. Viewer discretion is advised. I haven't seen this. This pileup happened a while back, but it's good to watch because then you can know what happened, and I have information in the description about it. I learned about it. It's crazy. I don't like driving in snow. On the camera, you can see the snow still coming down. It's snowing. Uh-oh. And it's like whiteout conditions out there, so they can't see each other very well. Oh no, that's a tour bus. Oh boy, oh boy. Wow. It's a lot of cars piled up. I think there's a person standing out there by that truck. Yeah, that's a person down there walking around. That's crazy. There's a guy walking down there on the shoulder. We're only 3 minutes in. It's an 8-minute video. Oh, look at those guys. It is like bumper cars. That guy that's on the shoulder, he's not in a good spot at all. Oh, man. Ooh, viewer discretion is advised. Oh, that guy almost got pancaked. Did you guys see that? There's a guy down there walking around. Holy cow. Oh, that guy got wing-dinged. Oh, there's another person walking around down there in the median. Ah. There's people in these cars, guys. People are getting hurt. That's not cool. That guy didn't even try to slow down. By the time he put his brakes on, it was over with. You don't know if you should stay in the car or get out of the car. If you get out, where are you gonna go? If you stay in, what's gonna happen to you? That truck has cars he's carrying. He's a heavy truck. There's two tour buses. A semi-truck. Now they're all getting backed up. I think there's a cop car down there in the median. I think that's a police car, guys. He's not having a good time either. Yeah, if you guys want more information about what happened here, read in the description. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to Ranimal Media. Give this video a like. That's crazy. And there's probably more accident where we can't see behind the camera. It's nuts. That's crazy. If you guys are gonna go out in that kind of weather, you need to drive slow. Holy cow. Thanks for joining me on this video, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Ranimal Media. Catch me on the next one. See you guys later. Take care.